20 types of people you cannot be friends with. 1. The constant liar or assumes truth means nothing to them. 2. The backstabber also betrays you when it suits them. 3. The jealous one bossy hates your success. 4. The one upper poise always has it worse or better than you. 5. The gossip bicer spreads your secrets like wildfire. 6. The drama magnet also thrives on chaos. 7. The user art plea only around when they need something. 8. The fake supporter Ase smiles in your face but secretly hopes you fail. 9. The narcissist Ase only cares about themselves. 10. The negative Nancy Yaso drains your energy with constant complaining. 11. The manipulator as a twists everything to control you. 12. The hypocrite Isas preaches one thing but does another. 13. The disrespectful one IHE has no regard for your feelings. 14. The commitment phobia ISO can't be trusted to stick around. 15. The pessimist Oz crushes your dreams before you try. 16. The lazy one part expects you to do everything. 17. The blamer say never takes responsibility. 18. The self-victimizer say always the victim, never the problem. 19. The reckless one drags you into bad decisions. 20. The boundary breaker also doesn't respect your limits.